How can CF therapy approval be accelerated? Imagine a world where new treatments for cystic fibrosis reach patients faster without compromising safety. That's the goal of accelerating therapy approval by using smarter, more efficient strategies. One key approach involves response biomarkers, which are measurable indicators that show whether a drug is having a biological effect. In cystic fibrosis, these biomarkers can be used early in clinical trials to quickly see if a therapy is working, helping researchers identify promising options faster. While not all biomarkers predict long-term health outcomes, they are vital for speeding up development, especially given how complex and rare cystic fibrosis can be. Another exciting development is personalized medicine, particularly a technique called Theratyping. This method tests how specific cystic fibrosis gene mutations respond to drugs using patient-derived tissue samples like organoids. These mini-organs allow scientists to predict which treatments will work best for individuals with rare mutations, even if they are not included in traditional trials. This personalized approach has already influenced regulatory decisions, with agencies like the Food and Drug Administration expanding drug indications based on this targeted data. Collaboration also plays a big role. Sharing large datasets from clinical trials and research networks through platforms like the Rare Disease Cures Accelerator-Data and Analytics platform helps speed up understanding and decision-making. When researchers and clinicians pool their knowledge, they can identify promising therapies more quickly and efficiently. Innovative clinical trial designs are another piece of the puzzle. Adaptive trials that change based on ongoing results and streamlined protocols that incorporate biomarkers and personalized testing can reduce both the time and the number of participants needed. This is especially important in cystic fibrosis, where certain mutations are rare and recruiting enough patients can be challenging. Regulatory flexibility is also crucial. Early and ongoing communication with agencies like the Food and Drug Administration can clarify what is needed for approval. Pathways like breakthrough therapy designation or accelerated approval allow promising drugs to reach patients sooner, often based on surrogate endpoints or biomarkers, with continued monitoring of clinical outcomes. Finally, therapies that target the root cause of cystic fibrosis, such as cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator modulators, are at the forefront. Demonstrating their biological effects through biomarkers and clinical improvements supports faster approval processes. Combining these strategies, using biomarkers to identify promising treatments early, applying personalized testing for rare mutations, sharing data openly, designing efficient trials, and working closely with regulators, creates a powerful, integrated approach. This helps bring effective treatments to patients sooner, respecting the complexity of cystic fibrosis and always prioritizing safety and individual needs. Remember, always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options.